Hi team, welcome to my software engineer. Today we will see about concurrent modification exception. Okay, I hope you see the screen. Okay. Here I have initialized one array list. Okay, inside that I have added 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I have added like 5 elements into the list. Okay, now I want to iterate this list. Okay, I want to iterate this list. Okay, here with the help of iterators, I'm going to read the elements from the list. Okay, okay. Now we have a method in list that is iterator. Okay, now I took help of while loop, so it will check. This will check whether the iterator having a next element or not. Okay, has next means there is a one element present or not. So this condition will check. Okay, if it is true, then the control will go inside. Otherwise, it will exit. Okay. Now, so we have elements, right? There are 5 elements in the list. Okay. So this will return true. Okay. So this will execute at line number 26. Okay. So this method, what will do? So this method will return the current value from the list. Okay, like it will give this one. So here the value will be 1. Okay. Okay, the value will be 1. Okay. Now, so this we are printing here. Okay. So this will go on, but the value, what is the value? This is the one equals 5 or not. We are checking actually in this condition. So 1 is not equal to 5, right? So then this will return false. Okay. If it is false, then this line number 32 won't execute. Okay. Okay. In the same way, so the second will come, third will come, fourth will come. And now the last element 5. Okay, we are checking. So we have element present, right? After 4, right? Then here the value will be 5. Okay, it will print like this one. Okay, now this condition is going to execute because 5 equals 5. It will return true. If it is true, it will go inside and it will try to add 6, where it will add into this list. Okay. But what we are doing here, we are iterating the values in this area. We are iterating from the list. We are doing two things. We are iterating first one, and now second we wants to do, if value equals to 5, then add number 6. Okay, but why iterate? We are adding. Okay, so what happening? So list won't allow actually. While iterating, you cannot modify the list. Okay, adding means we are modifying the list. Okay, this is the against of array list. Okay, so that's why we can see this exception, concurrent modification exception, because the exactly what happening here. So when we execute the Java program, so that will taking care by one thread. The thread name is what? Main thread. Okay. See, thread name is main. Thread name is main. Okay. So uh, uh I don't know whether you aware about multi-threading or not, but whenever we execute our Java program, so in the background, the main thread will execute our complete program. Okay, this complete program will be executed by the main thread. It means while iterating means the main thread is doing something, right? only one thread we have. Okay, and while executing one thread only, one thread means like in internally there will be some kind of data will be stored in the JVM. Okay, like for the memory location kind of things will happen in the background. So I'm also unaware about those things. But this is the Java rule says, so while iterating, you cannot modify the list. If you try to modify, it will throw the concurrent modification exception. Okay. Now, how to avoid this situation? Okay. So the Java says you cannot modify any list while iterating. So that we'll add this line after the iteration. Okay, now I saved it. I'm running it. See, there is no exception at all. Okay, now I'm gonna print the list here. Now rerun it. See, in the list we have 6 values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So in this example, we learned about how to avoid this concurrent modification exception. In the next video, I'm going to create one more video. So in that, I will tell, okay, how to modify the list while iterating. Okay, thank you guys.